Save $137,743 a year. That's right. Follow my lens, and I'll tell you how to save $137,743. Let's go. Hello everyone, I am Long Jiao from RAETTS Blower. Today I will show you to the sewage station site of the large paper mill in Zongtang. I am honored to interview the person in charge of the sewage station, Ms. Ying. Ms. Ying, can you tell us about the operation of the sewage station?
Hello, I am the person in charge of the sewage station of this paper mill company. Our company's daily sewage treatment discharge volume is 30,000 cubic meters. We used 7 traditional RAETTS blowers with a capacity of 90 kilowatts before. After the energy saving and consumption reducing transformation of RAETTS, now we are using 5 RAETTS air bearing blower, 110 kilowatts.
So what are the advantages of using RAETTS air bearing blower after modification?
About energy saving and consumption reduction, because our company has also calculated this energy saving and consumption reduction. It will save about $137,743 in 1 year. Compared with traditional RAETTS blowers, RAETTS air bearing blowers are mainly low noise and easy to maintain. The most important thing is that RAETTS as after sales service is very good.